Hey guys, what's up? What's up? Happy Friday. It is 2, 3, 4. It is Friday today, the 10th. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to use or how to create a campaign in your AWeber. What is a campaign? It's an email sequence where you send out to automatically respond on a daily or weekly or monthly, however much time you put onto it, to send out emails on a regular basis. I do this for my affiliate marketing business, so that's what I'm going to show you guys on this video today. Um, and you can do campaigns for any autoresponder. There is GetResponse, there's ConvertKit, there's also System.io, which I've already created a video for the System.io. If you want to look into that one, I'll leave a video at the end of this video so you can check that out. Now in AWeber, if you haven't already, check out the other AWeber video that I have up where it shows you how to sign up for AWeber for completely free. If you need to know how to sign up for that step by step, go through that and then you can come back to this video. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to create your campaigns, and I have an email swipe. Now, if you want to learn if you're doing affiliate marketing and you don't know where to get your emails and you don't know how to come up with emails, I'll show you how to find email swipes with the affiliate programs that you partner with. So stay with me till the end of this video so I can show you exactly how you can find those email swipes with the businesses that you'll partner with in the marketplaces out there. All right, so really quickly, we're just going to jump right into this and start this video off, right? Before I do, though, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you can learn more about how to strategize your how-tos, your tutorials on building your business online with affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you all the tools that you absolutely need, which is just 2 tools in affiliate marketing: a funnel builder and an email autoresponder. And I'm going to show you the different tools that I'll be using to kind of help you strategize with all of your affiliate marketing journey. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments section below. And if there is anything that you guys need throughout the videos that I am talking about, I'll leave all the links in the description in this video so you can access any of these softwares, tools, or anything that I'm talking about today. So yeah, now let's go ahead and just jump right in. All right, so once you're signed into AWeber, once you've watched the video, you set up your account and you've signed in, what you want to do is you're going to go over here to this part right here, right? This is the dashboard, right? So in the dashboard, we have messages. Under messages, you'll find a drop down for campaigns. So we're going to go to campaigns and we're going to click on campaigns. Now, usually it'll have nothing on there. It'll be an empty template where you can create this. I've already have one up, and I'm going to use that one for the purpose of this video to show you on how to create these daily email swipes, email sequences to go out automatically. So I'm going to use this one. It's the Legendary Family. And I have a few already in here, but I'm going to just quickly show you how you can build your email sequence. So in a new one, you can come up here and click on this pencil right here. If you wanted to change the name here, you would click on this green button once you've done edit it and you want that name, or an X if you want to exit out. So I'm going to click green for good. All right, so once you're in, it's going to be completely new on this page. Now, depending on how many lists you have already, you can start the campaign off by subscribe. Whenever someone subscribes into your or opts into your email list, or if they are put on a tag, which you can replace the trigger to a tag. When you apply a tag to the let's say to your customers, once they opt in, you apply them to a tag, you want them to go to a different list. That's a whole nother part of email marketing that we will go into another video with, and I'll show you how to use these tags and stuff like that. For now, you're just gonna use the very first of your email list to be on subscribe. So make sure at the top here it has on subscribe, just like so. And every time you start off one anyway, it'll automatically be on subscribe. So if you ever want to, just replace the trigger here to apply a different, it's either just on subscribe or the tag. So that's all you have the options on. Now, As you can see, I send out a message, and usually I would wait a day before I send out another email, right? And then I'll wait a day, and then I'll send another email. I will wait a day, and I'll send another email. So that's what I mean by like your email sequence where your campaign is going to be running automatically. You have these in place, and so it's easier for you to just put all of this in place and have it up and running, so that way when you're doing whatever you're doing, sleeping, eating, having fun, whatever it is, this is running automatically, and it's creating these ads in the back end while you're doing what you're doing, which I think this is the most powerful way to scale your business in affiliate marketing. And so I've already created a video. It was a day 2 on my live training on this exactly, but I didn't really go into deep details on how you can do the email swipes, or like how you can really edit the page and put the links in there and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you that in this one today. So right here at the bottom, there's already a message. So I want to wait a day before I put another message under there. So as you can see, I'm just dragging and dropping them, right? And then that's all you can, it's really simple. You just want to make sure that every day, it's at least a day, because you don't want how many emails sent out all at one time. If you want to do where you can go to this one, for example, and you come up here and you want to do 2 days, you can do 2 days. You can even do, if not days, minutes, hours, weeks, or months. Completely up to you, but we're just going to keep it with one on this one. But you can change it right here on the side here. Now, once you've got a message here put in place, you're going to click on that, because we're going to create a message, and you're going to click this drop down right here, drag and drop email builder, and you're going to click on that one, because we're going to create um, an email sequence, and I'll show you guys how to put in your links and stuff like that, so that way it can look really good. Because I noticed some of you guys, because I check a lot of you guys, right, and then I go through your links just to make sure that I'm getting emails from you, and I see some of your links, right, are not they're just here. I'll show it to you. So let me show you where I get mine. Again, I'll show you guys how to find email swipes with the businesses that you're affiliating with. Let's say you're doing from a marketplace. Now, that's the one thing you want to look for, is email swipes. For the 15-day challenge, if you are going through that and you're promoting their products, if you want some email swipes, I have about 13 of these email swipes. So if you see here, it just says right here, subject, this is what you will copy to paste into your email. So let me just bring this right here. And then you see your subject line right here is going to be that subject line right there. So this is email swipe number 1. Email swipe number 2. I am on email swipe number, let me see real quick. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5th. So we're on the 5th one. I'm just going to go in here real quick. Email number 3, email number 4, and email number 5. Now the subject to this one is the key to freedom right now. We're going to copy that. Literally, guys, this is the great thing about doing affiliate marketing. You're not really doing much, like with the partner or with the businesses you're partnering with. It's a lot of copy and paste and just kind of recreating a lot of the things to your own. And now it is tedious. It is a lot of small things that you got to put all together. But once it's all together, guys, and it's running smoothly, like you don't have to worry about anything else, and you let that run on its own, and you're doing other things for your business, which is what I think is the best thing to do, just leave it to run on auto. All right, so copy this right here as well. This is the body of your email, okay? So grab all of that I just highlighted, and then you're going to go back to your body right here, and you're going to paste it in just like so. And this first one right here looks a little small, so we're going to go up to 15, maybe 16. So when it says hi first name, you see this first name, it's like a little embedded code. So like it triggers to put their first name from their email, whatever they typed in. So the way you can change that is if you I just took it out, right? So if you go up here where it says personalize and hit that drop down, you get subscribers info and put in the first name and it'll appear just like so. See, so that's how you get the coding. So hi first name, let's just say it's an email out to me, right? Hi Carol, look, I'm mad as hell, and then it goes through and then it goes through and then right here, see where it says click here to watch. Now you want to put a link in there. So what you're going to do is you're going to you're going to highlight it, right? As soon as you highlight it, you're going to come up to this black box up here, this edit box up here, and there's this link button up here. It says link CTRL plus K. Okay, so this link button, you're going to click on that link button. This is where you're going to paste your URL. So this is going to be going to the URL of whatever product it is you're promoting, right? So let's say you had an email written out and then you put the words click here to watch. You're going to highlight those words click here to watch, and you're going to put a link attaching to those words click here to watch. So in this right here, this box that says URL, this is where we're going to paste our sales page of the funnel, right? So for me, it's Legendary Marketer. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to paste in that right there, just the same one. So I'm just going to quickly log in and grab my link. And this is exactly where you would go if you were if you were doing Legendary Marketer as well. Just go to their affiliate links under business challenge, the light theme. Under affiliate links, you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it says sales page. And you're going to copy that link and you're going to come back to AWeber and you're going to paste that link. So that's the link that'll get people, that's the link that'll get the audience to the sales back to the sales page. So if you guys remember in the whole business, the chart that I would set out, right, with the platforms and then the funnel and then the email sequences. So this is kind of where that all ties into, the whole funnel and then the email sequence. This is how you would send back out those the sales page of your funnel, so that you can get people to be like, okay, maybe I do want this, right? So once you added that URL, you're gonna click OK, and that's gonna be good. You're gonna go down to the bottom one here. You're gonna highlight that one as well. Go to the link bar and also paste it on there as well. Now, at the bottom, of course, just a quick note of, as always, oops, why is it? Oh, it's still in bold and in underline. Oops. Well, anyway, you can just put a little message at the bottom. I'm not going to do that right now. But what I want to do is I want to preview and test it. Okay, so we want to make sure that the links are working. So we're going to preview and test it. We're going to come here and just make sure that everything looks right. And then we want to click on this to make sure that it gets us to, ta-da, to this page, to the sales page of your product, of the product that you're promoting, right? So you just want to make sure that those pages work. That one on the bottom did. This one, just want to make sure. Yes, it did. We are good to go. Now, the other way that you can make sure that it is your affiliate product is you want to make sure that you have your ID correct. So for me, this is going to be my ID. Again, for you, it's something else, but just want to make sure that that one is good. Okay, so we've just checked both of the links. They work. We're going to go back to editor and everything in here is perfect. Of course, if you want to do an end note, go ahead and put that in there. For me, I'm not going to do that for the purpose of this video. But that's it. As simple as that, right? So that one's in. And if you want to make another one, just one more, I'm going to show you guys really quickly how to go through it quick. So real quick, go back to this and we're going to swipe number 6. So Dave's secret online biz formula. Copy that, go to here and paste. Okay. Go back to this where you're going to copy the body. And copy. And then you're going to paste it in here. And then I just like to make sure that they're at least all kind of the same. All right, so so you put that in there, and then you just want to make sure that you get this one also. You put the link in there, so click on that on the link, and then I'm going to go back and copy that. Paste it in here. Okay, and preview the test. Want to make sure 4668. Perfect. Everything's good. All right, so that is done as well. Back to editor. This is done. See how simple and how easy this is. If you guys want to drag in some images, you guys can put it under the thing. And if you like, say you want to put proof of your earnings, let's say you start earning, right, commission, and you want to show people proof of that, you're going to go here and you're going to upload an image, and then you can just choose whatever image you want to put on, hit open, and then it'll just go on there. So for example, we'll just say this right here. And then you'll have a photo into your email. And of course, there's a lot of things that you can also put in here. There's social, which is going to be the social media thing, which is Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and LinkedIn. You can put a button in there if you want to put a button, and then you can put, instead of click here, you can say access this free ebook, just to show you guys like how you can edit this. It's a quick drag and drop. It's not that hard to just put and design it the way that you want to design it. If you want to delete something, of course, just hover over it and click the delete button. We're going to go ahead and delete all of this because we don't need all of this. Remove. I'm just gonna move it up here because it's not allowing me to delete it because it's underneath and this thing keeps blocking. So just delete real quick. And so again, real quick, you guys can just, create your email as greatly as you want to. Connect with, this is the place where you're gonna connect with your audience, and you're gonna have this community of people where they're going to reach out to you through email. And so you want to make it as comforting for them as you can, taking care of your people, and so through email is a good way that you can do that. And that's it, guys. That's pretty much it. This is how you create your campaign. Very simple, but very basic. And once you're done, save and exit, and you're good to go. It's live. You can oh no, under here, once you're done, once you've got all of your emails already written up and everything, you're just going to click on the draft. You want to make sure you activate the campaign, so that way you can start seeing how many percent of people opened it, how many clicked on the links that you have in there, and you'll see the progress just going up and up and up. So hopefully that helped you guys with how to create your campaigns and an email sequence in your AWeber. Let me know if you have any questions. And again, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions on any of the links or any of the tools that I've used today, again, check out that description below and let me know what video you'd like to see next. Thank you again, guys. Have a great day. Stay positive.